Welcome back to another episode of Diabetes 180 with Louis Britis, your physician assistant and diabetes reversal health coach. Today we're talking about 6 things you can do to ward off dementia. This is a great follow-up to last week's video, how to reduce brain fog that comes from statin drugs. So if you haven't watched that, make sure you check the video section or my video list for that. So how do we ward off dementia? Of course, brain fog is something that is horrible to experience, but dementia arguably worse. So how can we prevent it from happening? Well, there are 6 things we're going to go through quickly in this video. Number 1 is puzzles, games, things that challenge your brain. You know, who doesn't like a good puzzle? You know, not just puzzles, but things like reading, learning a new language, activities that challenge our brain are known to stimulate our cognition and our mental development. And studies have shown those who are more into puzzles and learning new things and tasks are less likely to develop dementia. Number 2, also very important, is physical activity, staying physically active, because exercise actually stimulates the development of new brain cells, right? And so recommendations are at least 5 days a week, you should be exercising for 30 minutes, right? We all could fit 30 minutes somewhere in our day. Number 3, we've actually covered in last week's video when it comes to brain fog, but dementia can be prevented with a brain healthy diet. That is a diet that is, number 1, low in saturated fat, easily done when you come off animal products, what we promote on our channel, and by increasing your consumption of antioxidant rich foods, herbs, spices, berries, nuts, and seeds. Those are the categories of foods that are highest in antioxidants and feeding your brain. All right. And number 4 is really important, and that is to reduce stress. I know that's hard for a lot of us, but you know what's nice is that when you eat a healthy, plant-forward diet, studies show that it actually works on your mood and reducing stress. So it's connected. But by living lives that are stressful without having a way to relieve that stress, it's very hard, of course, on our brain and can lead to damage long-term and dementia. Number 5, social interaction is key. You know, we today live very isolated lives, but it's so important to never neglect the gathering of like-minded people, you know, friends, family, by joining social clubs. Engaging in activities not just by yourself, with other people, is another thing that stimulates the brain, staves off loneliness and depression, and prevents dementia. And number 6, the last one, is sleep, sleep, sleep. How many of us are getting at least 7 to 8 hours? That's what you need to repair the damage that comes along throughout the stressors of our day. It's at night that our brain recovers and clears out those toxins that have developed during the previous 24 hours. So it's so important for us to get a good night's rest every evening. These are the 6 things that you can start doing today to prevent dementia, to ward off this condition, life-threatening and also life-altering for not just you, but family and friends. So, which one do you think you can work on? Let us know in the comment section. If you need more support throughout your health journey, check out the links in the bio section for a free consultation to work with a diabetes reversal health coach. And as always, beloved, I pray above all things that you may prosper and be in good health, even as your soul prospers. See you next week.